Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a special day. Amazon delivery. Send me that. Okay, I'm going to open.
Because it's a long box. Here we go. Oh yeah.
My new baby. Crown Tool, Sheffield, England, Revolution Instruction. It's a revolutionary tool for hollowing. Make some pretty accurate hollow form. Okay. God damn, it's heavy. Okay. I got the articulate tip. I think I can put another one here to be more articulated. This is the cutting tip. I have this to put right there. More grip. Okay. Allen key. Other Allen key. Screw. Oh yeah, this is my other key extender. And one extender. I got the earth scraper for internal and external finishing. I got the eggs scraper, general purpose cutter, the fat key, the key cutter, and the super ring. I think it's just a replacement for my other right there. That's the super ring. I can, choose where I want my tip when I'm inside a hollow form. It's pretty cool. This handle I can unscrew right there and put it over here for more weight. The handle without the gold pieces, it's 17 inches, sorry. And with that, it's 21 inches and a quarter. Pretty long, but if I make a long vase, I just have to unscrew that. That's pretty long. I have all of this to go inside a pieces. Fully extended, the tool is 39 inches. Wow, that's a pretty long tool. That's never hand. Okay, let's put that on the side. I'm not there to make a full review of the tool. I'm here to step up my game in the hollow form.